So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to add a Starbucks card to your Apple Wallet. So first, you need to access your Apple Wallet on your iPhone, and once you're in, you will see this page, which is you could actually add your Starbucks card on this. So you will see the plus icon located at the top right corner beside the three dots. You just have to click on the plus icon, and under the add to wallet section, there are available cards which is presented. You just have to click on the debit or credit card and click on the continue. If you have your Starbucks card near to you, you could just tap your phone onto the card for it to able to absorb or get the informations of your card, or just simply enter the card details manually. But take note that some of the regions doesn't support to add a Starbucks card. So if your region is accepting to add the Starbucks card on your Apple Wallet, then you are lucky. So that's the step by step on how to add a Starbucks card to your Apple Wallet.